Welcome to this DelfStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to link Instagram to TikTok. Linking your Instagram account to TikTok makes it easier for people to find you on both platforms and helps grow your audience across social media. To get started, open the TikTok app and go to your profile. Go to the Edit menu and look for the option that says Links or Instagram. As you can see, this option is not available in my region. If it is available in your region, tap on it and TikTok will prompt you to log into your Instagram account. If you do not have the link option, click on the bio section and add your Instagram ID there. Copy the Instagram profile URL, paste it into your bio, and then click Save. After adding your Instagram ID to your bio, viewers can copy the URL and open your Instagram profile. If you add your Instagram through the link option, viewers can tap the Instagram icon on your TikTok profile and visit your page directly. You can remove or change the linked account at any time by going back to the Edit Profile section. As you can see, the Instagram account has been added to the bio, but it is not clickable because only the URL was added. That's it. We've learned how to link an Instagram account to TikTok and how it helps connect your profile across platforms. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelfStack tutorial videos.